Hey, I am Kimbo and I blog at agirlmclugan.com, and today I have a helper. This is my daughter,
Cameron.
Cameron. How old are you?
11.
11. And what do you want to be when you grow up?
You.
She wants to be a blogger. She loves to craft and she's always asking me if we can make stuff. So today I thought we will make stuff. We're making a fun Halloween trick-or-treat bag, and all you're going to need is a black bag and some puff paint. And I'm going to show you how to make a fun spider web, and hopefully we have a blast, right?
Yep.
Yep, so grab your kids and let's make some stuff.
Let's go.
Okay, before we get to the puff paint, we want to practice. I'm going to show you how to do a spider web. So we just have a paper. I have a Sharpie just so it'll show up, but you can grab a pencil. And Cameron's just going to follow along. So I always start with a center point, and then I like to do spikes out, fill the space. Just nice straight lines. But they don't have to be perfect because no spider web is perfect, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. All right, and then I just start in the middle and I make straight lines going around. And I don't match them up perfectly. You can if you want to make them really nice. I always think that the ones that are a little more off look a little spookier. And I love the spooky part of Halloween. We like to be scared for Halloween, right?
Mm-hmm.
These Sharpies smell good. They're new Sharpies. Got that fresh Sharpie smell. And I don't like to go all the way to the ends. I like to leave a little of these end parts sticking out, if that makes sense. And then you can add a spider on the bags. You could hot glue a spider. Perfect. So those are our practice. Now that we're done with that, we are going to try our hands at the bags. Okay, you can find black bags at most craft stores. I can't even remember about these last year, but I think they were Hobby Lobby. And then this is 3D puff paint. It's called 3D fabric paint, found in like the fabric aisle. There are 3 different kinds. We've got Crystal Sparkle. What's that one? Will you read that one?
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark, and then
Shiny.
Shiny White. So which one do you want to use?
This one.
She's going for Crystal Sparkle, and I'm going to do Glow in the Dark. We're going to see how this one turns out. So we're going to open them up. We got them open. All right, so you're just going to push it out until it comes out. Make sure it comes out nice and smooth. Perfect. Okay. Are you going to do, so Cameron has a second technique she likes to do for her spider webs. It's called the cinnamon roll or cookie. What did you call it?
I don't know.
Grab that paper. Where's the paper? Your cinnamon roll. That's her cinnamon roll. So I don't know which one she's gonna do. She's gonna surprise me. You doing cinnamon roll?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Let's go. We're supposed to let them dry for 4 hours, so don't be doing this the day of Halloween. The day before Halloween should be plenty of time, and then we can go trick or treat.
Smell my feet.
I don't want to. I'm sure they stink.
Supposed to say, give me something good to eat.
Oh, well.
Parents.